Hello, today I want to show you how to do a fun and romantic date night hairstyle. So I'm going to start by parting my hair into two sections. So I'm going to use a little scrunchie to tie off the top, and then I'm going to use the Ion Magnesium Pro Interchangeable Clipless Curl Wand Trio. So this hair tool comes with 3 different pieces that you can attach to the barrel and have different curling options. To prep my hair, of course, I'm going to be using the Eva Main Magic Spray. This is a heat protectant, but it also adds shine and conditions. So using the thicker barrel of the wand, I'm going to make nice, large, romantic curls. Starting on the bottom, and then once I get the first layer done, I'm going to take down my hair and create a second layer. And repeat the process, just wrap around the barrel, holding it close to the root as much as you can, making a little twist and then letting it unwind. And now I'm going to finish off the top part of my hair, doing the same curl pattern. And voila, there you have it. These curls are so pretty. Next, I'm going to gently brush them out with this wide comb. And just to add a little touch of detail to this hairstyle, I'm going to twist back the top of the hair and then secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to finish it off with some hairspray. To complete the look, I'm going to go ahead and do a little nail manicure here. I'm using Koki nail polish in this really pretty light pink, and then just to add some fun, I'm going to place these nail stickers right over the nails. If you want to get creative with the nail stickers, you can even use them as little face jewels. Alright, to finish off this look, I'm going to be adding this Eva glitter spray, and this just adds a little shimmer to the hair to make it feel just a little bit magical. And there you have it, guys. There is your date night look, and this is a fun, romantic hairstyle that will definitely make your evening feel more magical. Everything I used to create this hairstyle, of course, can be found at your local Sally Beauty or online at sallybeauty.com.